Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, that is the sound speaker in the Samsung Galaxy A52s phone. For cleaning, we need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, and a brush with flexible bristles. Just make sure they're soft, not hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. If you can't buy such a brush or a diffuser, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard. You can buy such a set on Allegro or Amazon. It comes in a can like this. The phone must be turned off before cleaning. Never clean the phone while it is turned on. Once the phone is turned off, we soak the toothbrush with our alcohol. If you don't have a diffuser, you can pour a little into a dish and wet it. Just dip the toothbrush in it. Here we have the buzzer, these holes, and we clean these holes, meaning we clean each hole individually in one direction, about 5 to 10 times per hole. And then we do the same in the other direction, about 5 to 10 times in each direction. Then you can also do the sides 5 to 10 times in each hole to clean the buzzer perfectly. And do the same in the other direction. It is highly recommended to perform this exact same cleaning procedure 2 or 3 times, so that the buzzer is completely and thoroughly sanitized. After the procedure, set aside the brush and the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and then your phone will be working and ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate it if you could give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.